Hey boys! Hello Lacey, what are you doing in here? Hello, hello. Oh, best friends, best friends. You're just chilling in the sun. Oh yeah, you're very comfortable, mister. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to be taking Pablo and Stanley and Lacey and Miley. Hi Miley. So we'll get to see how practical the car is, see if we can get them all in and take them for a walk, and then that's going to be it for today. I've been this morning to get my booster vaccine. Woo, so now I'm all fully protected from the variant, whatever it is now. I can't keep up. So that is me done. While I was in town getting my vaccine, I also got the dogs some of their favourite nylon chew bones. I also got the jumper to replace the one that's got a hole in. Your Christmas presents, but you can't have them yet. No, you can't have them yet. I love them bones, but they chew like the ends off them, and you just need to replace them every now and then. So we've got to use one each, but shh. You can't know. I didn't show you this last time, but here's me and my sister as kids. That's me on the right. Look, that was me as a kid. There's a little me. So there you go. There you go. So if you enjoyed the video, please do drop a like. It does help us out massively. And enjoy the walk. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Wait.
Wait.
Okay, don't wait. Go, Miley. We all okay in here? We all okay? Is everyone good? Good. That's because you ate grass. All in. Good yourselves, good boys.